Welcome to class, Candy and Yassine. Today, we are going to learn some action words. Are you ready?
Yes, Teacher Samar.
First, watch me. I open my book.
I open my book.
I flip the page.
I flip page.
I flip back to the previous page.
I flip back to the previous page.
I tear the page.
I tear the page. I tear the page.
I close my book.
I close my book. I close my book.
Now, I write my name.
I write my name. I write my name.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand. I raise my hand.
I read the sentence.
I read the sentence.
I stand up.
I stand up.
And I sit down.
I sit down. I sit down.
Excellent job, Kansi and Yassine. You are wonderful learners.